everybody, happy Vlogmas day 2. Today we have another busy day. I worked today from 1 to 5, have a bunch of homework and just little other things to do today. I just got done working out. I walked on the treadmill on an incline of 6 and a speed of 3.0. Usually I do the 12-3-30 challenge or workout that I've seen all over YouTube and basically Instagram lately of a lot of people doing that workout. But today I was super tired, so I just wanted to only do like a 6 incline, not a 10 or a 12, and then I did that for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to do an ab workout. I will share with you guys what my favorite ab workout is. It's a super quick one. It's only 6 to 10 minutes, and I'll share that with you guys right now. Now 12:18. I have to go to work at 1 like I said earlier, so I'm going to get ready really quick, get dressed, and then go. So I wanted to share with you guys my kind of like everyday minimal makeup routine. It's literally just mascara and doing your brows, but I figured I'd show it with you. I just got out of the shower, so I have on this comfy robe. This robe is actually from Kohl's, as you can see in the background kind of too. It is literally the comfiest robe ever. I think it's from the Sonoma brand, so I definitely would recommend it. But yeah, let's get ready and let me show you my everyday makeup routine. Okay, so the first thing that I do is curl my lashes. I am actually trying out a new eyelash curler today. I just got in the mail. It will be in my Ulta haul. So this is a little preview. So this is the Shiseido curler, eyelash curler. I really need a new one, and this one had the best ratings on Sephora and Ulta, so I figured I'd pick it up. And we'll try it out today. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I have my mirror right here, so that's how I'm gonna look over here. The first mascara that I'm gonna use is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is one of my favorites. Probably went through like 10 of these. Now I'm going to brush out my brows and just fill them in a little bit. I use Precisely My Brow by Benefit in shade 3. And now I'm gonna go into matching brow gel. It is in shade 2. Alright, brows are done, and now I'm gonna go back in with a mascara, with my second mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This has gone viral on TikTok. Another thing I've been using before it went viral on TikTok. Call me a trendsetter. So this is literally all I do for my everyday makeup routine. I will give you guys a better look at it. I know that this is not the best lighting over here, but this is what we're working with right now. So let me show you. This is what it's looking like. Literally just brows, brow gel, mascara. If you guys are in the market for a new mascara though, I definitely get one of those two that I just showed, if not both. So now I need to get dressed for work. I am now in the car. I am finally ready, and it is time to go to work. I am currently in the car, and I am on my way to work. I work from 1 to 5. I may take some clips at work, but I literally just work at a front desk, so it's nothing that is exciting. I literally just sell memberships or different like exercise passes and stuff like that, and I just do my homework. I work at the local Y in my town. So yeah, that's what's going on so far today. Everyone, it is now 5:21. I just got home from work. I just made a little snack. I made some granola and yogurt, and then I'm going to eat dinner pretty soon. And then I have a lecture tonight from 6:45 to 9:15 that I am absolutely dreading. I literally do not want to attend it. It's just over Zoom, so it's not really that big of a deal. It's just so long and I'm tired and I just want to relax. Watch The Bachelorette since I wasn't able to watch it yesterday because of my test. But yes, that's what I'm doing right now. As you guys saw in the clips right before this, I was at work, like I said, for 4 hours a day. I had to wrap this huge box that is for a toy donation or toy drive. And I literally did such a bad job, but it is what it is. I turned it to the nice looking side, so hopefully that is all that everyone sees and no one looks at it that closely. Yeah, work went by really fast, and besides that, nothing really new is happening, except for the fact that it's so freaking cold outside, and I'm already over it. I am now eating an apple. I forgot my spoon to bring to work, so I wasn't able to eat my snack or like any of the food that I brought because I didn't bring any utensils at all. So I'm starving, and my mom is making dinner, and it is not done yet. That is one nice thing about coming home for break, is that you really don't have to cook that much or worry about your meals. There's obviously some downsides, but also some upsides. So always think positively, guys, and think of the more positive outcome whenever you can.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Got done with my lecture. It is now 9:07. It got done like 5 minutes early. It actually went by pretty fast tonight, but I do have some exciting news, and then I have a little like funny story. It's really not that long of a story, but I figured I would share it. But I actually won a giveaway, and I've never ever won a giveaway before, so I'm so excited. When I literally got the email, I literally screamed. It's just a little giveaway, something crazy. It's from a Balance Athletica leader. Balance Athletica is like a clothing athletic brand, kind of like similar to Lululemon, if you've never heard of it. And the athlete or affiliate leader, whatever they're called, had a thing that if you used her link and then like sent her an email, you would be entered into a giveaway to win like 1 or 2 of her items or something like that of like the Balance collection that she has. And she gets gifted all of the clothing from all the lines and drops, and I won. So I was able to pick out 2 different items, and then she's gonna ship them to me. And so yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'll show you who she is. You guys should definitely give her a follow if you're into like the fitness and like healthy eating realm. Not even healthy eating, just like a healthy lifestyle and wellness. She's literally awesome, and she's freaking stunning. This is her handle right here. Like it says right here, Balance Athletica. That's her link. So if you want to click on that, you can check out what Balance Athletica is, or you can check out their Instagram page. But yeah, this is her. She's literally perfect, but I'm so excited. Another interesting thing that happened today was the fact that a kangaroo got loose in my hometown, where I am currently at right now, since I am at my parents' house. But yes, I guess some guy owns a kangaroo, which didn't even know that was legal. I guess you can get a permit for it, but does this guy really have a legal permit? Like, that's what I'm wondering. But yeah, so this kangaroo got lost, or got like let off its leash when it was on a walk, which like, why do you have a kangaroo? That's so weird to me, but whatever. To each their own, I guess. And it got off this leash and was literally hopping around the town for like, I want to say at least an hour, if not longer, and it eventually jumped into the Illinois River. and then 2 fishermen that were like luckily out in the river, like obviously fishing, got it with like some net that they had, like rescued it. And then like the cops like had all these like busy streets like Route 6 and a bunch of other like highways and different like major roads through our city blocked off, and there's so many videos of it just like hopping around in like different areas throughout our town.
Tyler, the guys are after it. Yeah, this Wally. His name is Bob.
And stuff like that. And so that was a very interesting, because I never thought that I would see a kangaroo in our hometown. It was also on the Chicago news, which is super interesting since I live in such a small town. My town is like never on the news. No one ever knows where I live. So it was a very interesting part to my day. But yeah, like I said, it is now 9:15, and honestly I am just going to watch the episode of The Bachelorette from yesterday right now, and I'm going to edit this video so I can get it out for you guys tomorrow. So I am going to end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that these videos are going to be kind of repetitive since I am in school right now / ending the semester with finals and stuff. It's just a lot of schoolwork, a lot of sitting down, staring at my computer, which I know is not the most fun, but I am trying to throw like a few different fun things in here when I can, like, you know, my different workouts or skincare routine, makeup routine, etc. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, I would love it if you could subscribe down below. But yeah, happy Vlogmas Day 2, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye!